Imagine this: your phone rings, you reach for it, your fingers touch the screen, and then it stops ringing. You were 1 second too late. How do you describe that feeling in English? Most learners say, "I almost answered the phone," but there is more interesting expression. Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin and I am a teacher of English. Today we are talking about the phrase "on the point of", and trust me, it will make your English sound more interesting and advanced. So what does "on the point of" actually mean? It means something was going to happen in the very next moment, but maybe it didn't happen, or maybe it did at the last second. Think of it like standing on the edge of a diving board. You are not in the water yet, you are not jumping, you are right there, 1 second away. The structure is simple: on the point of plus ing verb. Let's look at some examples. I was on the point of falling asleep when the doorbell rang. She was on the point of tears. That means she was about to cry immediately. The plane was on the point of taking off when they announced a delay. Don't say something like, "I was on the point of a decision." That's wrong. Why? Because "on the point of" needs an action verb, something you do. I was on the point of making a decision. I was on the point of leaving. I was on the point of saying something stupid when he stopped me. Even though the standard rule is on the point of plus ing verb, there are some special exceptions. In this structure, words like tears, despair, collapse, and death function as nouns that imply the action. For example, on the point of tears, think of it as a shortened form of on the point of bursting into tears, and so on. Now that you understand what "on the point of" means, let me show you one of my favorite ways to use it in a sentence. Here is the structure. I was on the point of plus ing verb plus when plus something unexpected happened. Let me give you a quick example. I was on the point of falling asleep when the fire alarm went off. See how that paints a picture? You were closing your eyes, drifting off, and then bang, the alarm. It's perfect for telling stories. Every time you use it, you create a little drama. You set up an action that was just about to happen, and then suddenly something interrupts it. It makes your English more vivid, more natural, and more fun to listen to. Now, let's look at 5 more examples of this structure in action. Pay close attention, because after this I am going to ask you to write your own. I was on the point of closing my laptop when my boss sent one last email. I was on the point of buying plane tickets when I realized my passport had expired. I was on the point of deleting the photo when I noticed something strange in the background. I was on the point of giving up on the puzzle when I finally found the missing piece. I was on the point of sending the text message when my phone died. Now I want you to practice. Finish the sentence in the comments. I was on the point of doing something when something else happened. For example, I was on the point of leaving the house when I realized I forgot my keys. I'll read your answers. That's it for "on the point of". In my next video, we are looking at its cousin, "to the point of", which means something totally different. Don't confuse them. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.